lot of men are really resonating with what you're saying about speaking your truth, and yet there's resistance because of fear of ruffling feathers.
Yes.
Can you speak more on how a man can get over the resistance of that?
Yes. The softer we are on ourselves, the softer we are with others. I learned this in my marketing agency when I was being soft on my employees. Things weren't going well, and it was ultimately because I was being soft on myself. And then when I started being hard on myself, disciplined, doing my things, there's an element of holding yourself to a higher standard. And when you hold yourself to a higher standard, you develop more respect for yourself. And the more respect you have for yourself, the more easy it is to be in conflict. Also, conflict or ruffling feathers is a muscle. You have to practice it. It's always going to feel a bit of tension, but as you do it more and more, the tension starts to subside, and then you can step into power by doing it without having so much fear. That's why it's so important as a man to go back to courage. If you look at all the greatest people who conquered and took over big parts of the world, whether it's high-level businessmen, whether it's actual conquerors, they all talk about courage, overcoming fear, being encouraged, because ultimately they know that in order to conquer the world, you have to conquer yourself. And in order to conquer yourself, you have to conquer courage. That's the only way to really do it.